India commemorated Chabahar Day on March 4th on the sidelines of the second edition of the International Maritime Summit 2021. Dr. S. J. Shankar, External Affairs Minister, in his address at the virtual summit on Thursday said, India has proposed inclusion of Chabahar Port in the international north-south transport corridor route. The shift in fulcrum of global economic growth towards Asia is creating unprecedented opportunities for connectivity in the region. The INSTC is a key trade corridor project where India is partnering with 12 countries to establish a 7,200-kilometer multi-mode transport economic corridor to move freight among India, Iran, Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia, and Europe. The presence of representatives from Afghanistan, Armenia, Iran, Kazakhstan, Russia, and Uzbekistan on this occasion shows that the Chabahar Port project is gaining international popularity and is becoming the port of choice for landlocked Central Asia. So, how will the Chabahar Port impact India? The port will help India elevate its special ties beyond Afghanistan with Central Asia, especially with the two Central Asia heavyweights, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. The port's maturity will deepen strategic ties between India and Iran, which will yield multiple benefits. Iran is likely to once again emerge as India's major oil and gas supplier, helping New Delhi's energy security and energy investment plans in Iran. Besides, Iranian territory can become the launch pad for security cooperation between the two countries vis-a-vis Pakistan. Development of Chabahar Port is also driven by the China factor. Chabahar Port is looked at as a counterweight to the Gwadar Port, developed and run by China. If US-Iran ties normalize and the Iran nuclear deal is revived, Chabahar can become the starting point of a new route to channel US war supplies to Afghanistan. As a center of strategic trade and economic activities, the Chabahar Port can undermine China's Belt and Road Initiative's flagship project, the CPEC China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. However, concerns loom over the prospect of Islamabad and Beijing expanding footprints on Chabahar Port if it is connected with Gwadar Port in Pakistan, the endpoint of the CPEC.